In this video, I will explain to you about how to import the JetEngine custom fields data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer Pro plugin. Without further delay, let's get started. It's our CSV Importer Pro plugin. And this is a CSV file which I have prepared before importing. The fields mentioned here are text field, date field, time field, text area field, visiting editor field. For visiting editor, you have to give the appropriate HTML code to import data properly. For the multiple kickback values, you have to provide comma separator. Then you have to use the right icon picker value. Here I have given FA clock. In the image field, you have to give the valid image URL, and in the gallery field, you can give multiple images using comma separator and give names for the radio field. In select field, you can assign more than one names using comma separator. It's a number field and it's a color picker, which starts with the hash value. If you have more than one post, then use this relational field and make sure that assign the values in it using comma separator. Save the CSV file and move on to the importer. But before going to do that, I will explain you this custom post. Now I am navigating to the JetEngine plugin that helps us to create custom taxonomy, custom posts, custom fields and whatnot. To the edit option to assist you to view the newly created custom post. As you can see, all the meta fields which I have created for importing. And for importing, I am choosing this newly created file. Here, I am choosing custom post from the drop-down box because I have prepared the file under this post type. Yet, you can choose any post type as per your needs. Now you are all seeing all the fields that auto-match just because I have given the exact slugs. And media handling option is enabling as default. We are moving to the next step. I have only one record, it is imported within a second. Let's see in the admin view. Here you can see a text field, date field, text area field, gallery field, radio field, relational field, all are imported successfully. You can use the same way for importing custom fields data that are assigned under WooCommerce product, users, default post, custom taxonomy and so on. I hope this video will help you to do your future reports. Thanks for watching.